7 years after he jumped parole, rape convict Bitti Mohanty has been brought to Alwar in Rajasthan, the place where he raped a German tourist and was convicted before he jumped his parole. On Friday, a Kerala police team along with Mohanty will leave for Jaipur today. The team has collected various documents and fingerprints from Alwar to build a watertight case against Mohanty. And Headlines Today is the only channel which travelled with Bitti from Kerala to Rajasthan and is tracking every development, every turn in this investigation. Our correspondent Rohini Swami sent us this report.
To the arrest of Bitti Mohanty, we have registered a case against him and extensive investigation is going on to elicit the evidences against him.
Bitti Mohanty is being taken a passenger train from Mathura to Alwar by the Kerala police, and the Kerala police are now going to be investigating on the true identity of Bitti. And Bitti has not been talking. आप बताएं कि आप Bitti Mohanty हैं कि कौन है? No. आपकी सही आइडेंटिटी क्या है? No. Bitti is refusing to even speak. He has not been speaking to the Kerala police, and also very clearly that is what they are trying to find out. There are a lot of documents that Kerala police have with them at this point of time. They also have enough documentation in the fact that possibly the certificate that he had got in Kalinga University, the name of the Rajan that he claims, there is no student by that name in Kalinga University. But there is a name of a student by the name of Bitti Mohanty who has studied in Kalinga University. That's one of the documents that they have, that the Kerala police have with them at this point of time, which they say can prove that this is Bitti Mohanty. Apart from that, the DNA test and other tests that will be conducted in Alwar, and later the police will be taking him to Jaipur for further investigation. All this will prove that this is the DG of Home Guards, B.B. Mohanty's son, Bitti Mohanty, and that is what they're trying to do. For now, Kerala police is on its way to conduct further investigation and then later take Bitti back to Payanur Court. With camera Srimurthy, Rohini Swami in Mathura for Headlines Today.